and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this video tutorial we will be looking at major to minor roads. Many learner drivers struggle with left turns, often going too fast or braking at the wrong time. In this video I will show you some examples of turning left from a major road into a minor road and explain how to do it correctly. When you're asked to make a left turn, make sure you understand where you are turning. This is really important. You will be able to time your speed on the approach. In this example, you can see the driver has reduced her speed nice and early, which gives you more time to use your mirrors correctly and time your signal. The driver has been asked to take the next road on the left. The advantage of spotting the minor road early means you get more time to use your mirrors and time your signal. You can see the speed is perfect, and then as the driver turns in smoothly, they're looking to get into the center of their lane. It is important to understand the difference between a major and minor road. A major road is the main road that continues, while a minor road is the smaller road that ends. When you come to the end of your road, you must give way to any drivers on the major road. We're taking the next road on the left. Ease off the gas early instead of relying on the foot brake. Check your mirrors and time your signal correctly to avoid confusing other drivers. Maintain a good road position and control your speed as you approach. Now look into the junction for pedestrians and be ready to give way if needed. Turn smoothly when safe. In our final clip, this left turn is trickier because we're on a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit road. Slowing down correctly can be difficult if you don't give yourself enough time. Look for key points in the road where you can start braking firmly. If your speed is high, you'll need a firm brake to bring it down smoothly before the turn. Stay in control, reduce your speed in good time, and make the turn when it's safe. I hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe for more videos.